Hi, thanks for joining us today to learn about 3M building protection. This video is part of a series to teach you how you can build smarter with 3M. My name's Forrest Melcher and I'm an application engineer at 3M. In this video, we're going to walk through how to prepare a window rough opening and flash the window after installation. We're going to be utilizing two products for this, 3015 NP and 3015 UC, which stands for ultra conformable. And the elongation of this tape will actually allow us to install a window more quickly and with fewer seams. So we'll start by first applying a piece of 3015 NP to the window sill. So I'm going to utilize the split liner here and remove half of the liner. Then I'll go ahead and use that to position this tape along the window rough opening. And I'll just center it up and use hand pressure here to tack it in place. Then I can remove the other half of the liner. And then go ahead and just roll this piece into the rough opening, again using hand pressure here, just tacking everything in place. Then we'll take a piece of 3015 UC. And one tip that I like to use is to actually utilize our squeegee here to insert into the 3015 UC. And what this does is help me tuck this neatly into the corner. So in this case, I'm going to split half onto the jamb and half will come onto the sheathing. We'll apply it up the jamb and then I can remove the rest of the liner as I come down onto the sill here. And if I need to, I can even reposition this a little bit before I apply firm pressure. Now I can take this piece and conform it to the rough opening. Remove the liner and we'll use the squeegee. Starting it in the corner. Along the sill and then up along the jamb. And again, we'll stretch it out, conforming it to the corner of the rough opening. So we have no pinholes, no seams. Next, we'll take a piece and we're going to go up the jamb. So I'll start on the left side here. Again, use the slit liner to remove half of it. And this makes positioning the tape a lot easier. So I'll come down overlapping my 3015 UC by at least 2 inches. Apply the first half. Remove the liner. And then apply the rest into the jamb. And we'll do the same on the other side. All right, and at this point, we've just tacked everything down with hand pressure. And now would be the time that if we're happy with our installation, we come through with either a squeegee or a J-roller and roll everything down, and then we're ready to install our window. All right, so now we've installed our window according to the manufacturer's instructions, leaving at least a 1-inch gap on either side on the bottom. So we're going to take 3015 NP and we're going to start flashing up the sides. So By removing half of this liner, I can easily position my tape on the flange without worrying about the other half of it sticking to my sheathing. So we'll apply hand pressure here. Now that we're in place, I can go ahead and remove the other half of the liner. And pull this nicely against the sheathing. Now we'll do the same on the other side. And the last step here would be to put a bead of sealant across the very top edge, since this is going to end up being a negative lap, and then we tool that surface flush and smooth. So thanks again for joining us, and if you have any further questions or would like more information, please refer to our website or contact your local sales representative.